A rectangular plane sheet of a semiconductor material. A rectangular plane sheet of a semiconductor material. Okay. A rectangular plane sheet of a semiconductor material. Okay. Material. Or like this. Okay. A rectangular plane sheet of a semiconductor material has a dimension of 2 cm along y-axis, has a dimension of 2 cm along the y-axis, 2 cm along y-axis, and direction, and 1 millimeter along the z-axis, and 1 millimeter along the z-axis, and direction, or attach its two surfaces parallel to the xy plane. Okay, this is the conditions. Okay, so fix here two probe. Okay, two probe to contact. Okay, z is how much? 1 millimeter. This z means this side 1 millimeter is there. Okay, now so that what is that? A magnetic field flux of density. By magnetic field flux of density, what is the flux of density is equal to 1 Weber per meter square is applied along z direction. Applied along z direction. Magnetic field is applied along z direction. 1 Weber per meter square. A current of 3 milliampere. A current of 3 milliampere is flowing in the x direction. Is flowing in the x direction. This direction current is flowing. Okay, how much? 3 milliampere. Now is flowing in the x direction. Calculate the Hall coefficient or Hall voltage measured by the probe. Hall voltage measured by the probe. Okay, now if the Hall coefficient of the material is given, Hall coefficient of the material is given 3.66 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter cube per coulomb. So also calculate the charge carriers. Oh, these are the values there. We know the all values, given values. What is the given values? Y direction is equal to how much long is there? 2 centimeter. Z direction how much is there? 1 millimeter is there. Okay, and the strength of the magnetic field is equal to 1 Weber per meter square, and current flowing through this I is equal to 3 milliampere. So these, and the RH is equal to Hall coefficient is given. So by these values, okay, or one by one will simplifying that, the width will take, width of this is equal to how much? Width is equal to W is equal to 2 centimeter into 1 millimeter. Okay, width of the, so 2 centimeter, 2 into 1 is again 2 into 10 to the power of centimeter into minus 2, this is millimeter is 10 to the power minus 3, this will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube square. This is the sample of width or area of this. Okay, or we can rewrite this equation in this way. Hall field can be written as Hall field is equal to EH is equal to, we know that RH into current density into magnetic field, current density into its magnetic field is there. So then RH is equal to, okay, current density can also be written as RH into, okay, I divided by area into magnetic field as it is. Okay, so right, RH value is 3.688, okay, 66 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into I is equal to how much? 3 divided by, okay, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4, 3 divided, what is that B value? B is equal to, B value is equal to what? 1 by area is what? Area is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into magnetic field is equal to 1. So simplifying these, you will get 0.0549. Simplifying this is the values of electric field or effect, Hall effect, Hall field. But we know the formula of EH, but we know EH is equal to VH by D. Okay, VH is the Hall voltage, VH is the Hall, D is the distance between the probes, which is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, therefore VH is equal to EH into of D. Okay, EH is equal to how much? 0.0549 is there into 10 to the into what is the D? D is the 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, is equal to, so 1.1 meter per volt. This is called the Hall voltage. Okay. Now we have an equation. What is that? Hall coefficient equation. Hall coefficient equation, RH is equal to 1 by Ne is there. Okay. So n is equal to what? 1 by RH into E. Okay. So again, one RH is equal to 3 point something is 3.66 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Charge of an electron is equal to 0.16. Simplifying this, then the concentration of carrier is equal to 1.71 into 10 to the power of 22. This is the values for the voltage and the charge carrier concentration of this Hall coefficient material.